Welcome to M365 Professional. Here's how to use Coaching by Copilot to get feedback on messages right. After you type your message, select the Copilot icon in the ribbon, and then select Coaching by Copilot. And in a few seconds, Copilot will give you tone, reader sentiment and clarity, feedback, and suggestions for how to improve your draft. You can select each section individually or scroll down the list to see all suggestions. If you're not happy with the suggestions, or if you've made edits and want another pass at feedback, you can ask Copilot to check again by clicking Regenerate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.